Guys, we are here at Grand Palladium Resort dito sa Costa Mujeres, Mexico. And nasa El Dorado po tayo. Isa to sa a la carte restaurants sa resort. And you will have best steak dito, I heard. So, Ricardo, the manager, was kind enough to show me yung paano lutuin ang aking tomahawk steak.
This is good for chef. He's Mr. Eder.
Hi.
He will marinate your tomahawk. Will you show him?
Yes.
Tráeselo acá por favor. Para que lo vea. This is your tomahawk that you ordered for 650 grams. He will marinate.
What are we putting there right now?
He will put some chimichurri. It's a process with parsley, coriander, add some olive oil to marinate with that. So he will put also some black pepper with some salt.
So the tomahawk is what part of the beef?
It's right off the rib. It's one of the most soft part of the beef.
Okay.
It has more quality of protein. And it's very soft. It depends the function, the way how they bring it, or maybe the cover.
Yes. So itong illustration ng ating baka. So depende kung saang part ng baka kukunin ang cut. So may different types of cuts tayo. So ang favorite ko probably is yung of course T-bone, ribeye, tomahawk. Sobrang sarap doon. And yung tomahawk in particular ay yan ang part ng baka na nakaka-collect ng a lot of intramuscular fat na nagkakos ng tinatawag natin na marbling. So yung marbling, yan na nakikita nyo ngayon. Sobrang enticing pag naapuyan na or na-expose sa fire. So yan ang nag-cause ng rich, tender flavor na buttery flavor at sobrang the best. Sarap! Chef Eder.
Hello, how are you?
Very good. Very good, looking well. Looks good. Perfect pink. Special sauce and some sides. Look at the juice. Oh, okay.
Oh, wow.
Nice. Wow. Ang rason kung bakit sobrang mahal ang tomahawk is because the ribeye cage muscles where yung ribeye steak is cut from are barely used, bihirang ginagamit ng baka. So the meat is incredibly tender and very rich in buttery flavor. Try again. Oh, so tender, full of flavor, just well marinated, and I'm impressed. One of the best steaks I've tasted. No, I think actually the best steak I've tasted. Try the bone real quick. Look at that. Ooh. So good. Very good. Lamig yun tayo.